Ishwari Engineering College, Autonomous, Ramapuram, Chennai. About SRM Ishwari, a place for learning, discovery, innovation, expression, and discourse. 1016 plus students placed in 2018, with 123 plus companies recruited and 83 plus university rank holders. And the college has acquired 83rd rank in best engineering colleges in all India, 45th rank in private engineering colleges all India, 28th rank in private engineering college South Zone, 7th rank in private engineering colleges Chennai. The proven placement records every year at SRM Ishwari are 99% placement, 251 recruiters, 1102 offers with highest salary package of 15.4 lakhs per annum. Disclaimer: this information is collected from various sources in the internet only for the information purpose. The user is advised to confirm the accuracy of this data. The courses offered at Ishwari Engineering College are Computer Science and Engineering, Electrical and Electronics Engineering, Electronics and Communication Engineering, Electronics and Instrumentation Engineering, Mechanical Engineering, Civil Engineering, Information Technology, Automobile Engineering, Biomedical Engineering, Robotics and Automation, Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. The cutoff marks for Ishwari Engineering College for various castes, for various departments are: for OC it is 190 to 194, for BCM it is 185 to 189, for BC it is 187 to 192, for MBC it is 179 to 189, for SC it is 149 to 167. The facilities at SRM Ishwari Engineering College. Library. The air-conditioned central library that has a seating capacity of 176 students and 79,335 volumes, 21,317 titles, 278 journals, 50 magazines. The books are classified according to Dewey Decimal Classification Scheme. The library subscribes more number of print and online periodicals. All the library operations are computerized and barcode technology are implemented. Hostels. The hostels within the campus is to provide students a home away from home, wherein they can feel at ease and put in their best efforts for acquiring attitude, skill set and knowledge towards life. The college strongly believes in this formula for life, was ask. The hostel environment certainly provides self-confidence, instills discipline in the mind of students, and also provides scope for developing their ideas for harmonious and communal living without nostalgia. These attributes enable them to share the joy of friendship or fellowship and professional fraternity. Senior students have been trained to be more responsible and thus set good examples for juniors' self-help. Accommodating intelligence and team spirit for common good are the virtues expected from senior students as well as the freshers. Transport. The college has a fleet of buses to transport students and staff from various parts of city and neighborhood areas to college and back home. The contact number for transport office are 044 2249 4580 or 044 4392 3060. Sports. Ishwari Engineering College emphasizes the importance of sports and consider them as integral part of the curriculum. Physical education and sport activities help students maintain fitness and develop a competitive spirit. It endeavors to aid in overall development of each student. College encourages students to pursue their excellence in their chosen sports, providing them with infrastructure and guidance to excel. Healthcare. Ishwari Engineering College has well-equipped clinic and highly skilled doctor within the campus to provide first-hand emergency services to faculty members and students. SRM Multi-Speciality Hospital 24/7 is situated inside the campus. The recruiters at SRM Ishwari Engineering College are Sintana, BNY Mellon, AIS, ATOS, American Megatrends, Tata Consultancy Services, Wipro, Zoho, Amazon, GVI, AAGNA, AIGRA, ZoomRx, Oland, Tata Elxsi, Sanmina, HGS, Market Simplified, ICICI Securities, Indussoft, Technicolor, ICICI Prudential, Tory Harris, NTT Data, Aspire Systems, Newgen, Embedure, Delta, Vulum, DirectEye, VVDN, Syrma, SRM Technologies, SOSLEY, SMACON, NEEYMAO, Multicoreware, Mastro, Jaro Education, Just Dial, Just Pay, Johnson's Controls, Econ Systems, Thinkerlearn, Ticona, Honeywell, GRE Edge, Globus, FULL, and many more. The result comparison for Ishwari Engineering College from 2013 to 2017 is between 63% to 76%. In 2013, the percentage is 63. In 2014, 76%. 2015, 66%. In 2016, it was 67%. In 2017, it was the same 67%. The counseling code for Ishwari Engineering College is 1304. Contact college at 0444 3923 041 or 8939 The website is www.srmishwari.ac.in. College is located at Bharati Salai, Ramapuram, Chennai 600089. Mail at principal@eec.srmrmp.edu.in.